Good morning, traders. We just made amazing profit just before London Open, and let me share with you the best trade we had. It as we had an amazing trade on yen pair, most of them, pound yen and especially pound yen and the euro yen. And let me share with you. You can see here we had amazing profit. Let me share with you the pound yen. Okay, so you can see here this is the analysis symmetric triangle pattern. That was the analysis at the Asian session, and the update of this analysis, as you can see here, the price nicely broken. And if you look at here, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained my trader is time to enjoy some profit. You can see here that was a beautiful trade, bank amazing profit. And another one is euro yen. That was another pretty straightforward, as explained. This is the structure breakout, so pretty straightforward. You can see here price nicely broken just before London Open, and as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what I explained my trader is time to enjoy some profit. So based on this analysis, amazing results, guys. Right, we also had an amazing trade, especially I think that was the Aussie dollar. That was a pretty straightforward, and you can see here still trader holding long. Price developed sideways market, and afterwards price nicely broken. Beautiful hit to the first target, and that's what I explained my trader is time to tighten your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you want to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a safe trading and wish you all the best.